most states, 40 plus, have something called a homestead exemption that under law in your state says, hey, a certain amount of equity is protected. A creditor cannot sue you and chase after a certain amount of equity in your home. For example, I'm in Arizona. The homestead exemption in Arizona says if you're an Arizona resident, your personal residence, your home, is protected up to $400,000 of equity. So if I got a house worth $1 million and I got a $700,000 mortgage on it, I'm fully protected. A creditor could not force me to sell that or go after that equity in my home. I'm protected up to that $400K.
What is the equity we're worried about? We are worried about the equity between the fair market value, maybe? No. What would you net if you had to sell your home? So you could even take 10% off for selling costs. So if your home is worth $1 million after realtor and closing costs and blah, 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 you may only have $950,000 of net proceeds. Then you subtract any mortgages. That's your equity. And if you got into a bad enough lawsuit and you ran over one of my kids, I might sue you and say, I want the equity in your home. Well, I can't get in front of the bank. The bank's going to get their money. They loaned you money to buy that home. They're first.